Vinyl materials can get rippled or warped from a multitude of occurrences that are beyond our control. It can be storage between projects, shipping or handling, or even points in manufacturing. Vinyl can be surprisingly resilient. We found the following tips helpful in restoring a smooth appearance to vinyl materials. We always recommend practicing these methods on scrap pieces of vinyl before you approach a larger piece. Different thicknesses and surface treatments will react very differently. The first method I'd like to show you is using an iron. Begin by using a large padded ironing surface, ensuring that your table or counter surface is completely protected from the heat of the iron. Then always begin with the coolest temperature setting of the iron. Glide the iron over the padded surface and test with your hand. If the temperature is too hot for you, it will probably be too hot for the vinyl. Then lay the vinyl over the warm surface. If the vinyl is printed, you may find placing the vinyl with the ink side up is more effective. The warmth helps relax the ripples. Gradually increase the iron temperature as needed to help relax the vinyl. Allow the vinyl section to cool completely before moving on to the next area. For small pieces of vinyl, it may be best to store the vinyl flat. The second method I'd like to show you uses a hairdryer. Again, you'll want to prepare a large padded ironing surface. This ensures that your table or counter surface is completely protected from the heat of the hairdryer. If the vinyl is printed, you may find placing the vinyl with the ink side down more effective because the heat is coming from the upper surface of the vinyl. Begin with the coolest temperature setting of the hairdryer and keep the dryer moving over the vinyl surface. Depending on your hairdryer, increase the temperature gradually. You should be able to see the vinyl relaxing and flattening. Again, allow the vinyl section to cool completely before moving on to the next area. You may also find it best to store small pieces of vinyl flat if possible.